Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Shopify store access. First, log into your Shopify admin and navigate to the Settings section. From there, select Users and Permissions to begin managing who can access your store. You can invite new staff members by entering their email address and assigning specific permissions. This ensures everyone has the right level of access, from full administrative control to limited order fulfillment. It's a straightforward process designed for efficiency. When inviting staff, carefully consider the permissions you grant. Shopify offers granular control, allowing you to specify exactly what each team member can do. For instance, you can give someone access to manage products and orders without letting them view your financial reports. This protects your sensitive business data while empowering your team to perform their duties efficiently. Always review permissions regularly, especially as roles evolve within your business. For external collaborators, like developers or designers, Shopify Partner Access is ideal. This allows them to work on your store without needing full staff credentials. You can grant them access through your Shopify admin, typically under the Users and Permissions section, by selecting Partners. This method is secure and provides a clear audit trail of their activities. Remember to revoke access promptly once their work is finished to maintain store security. Sometimes, access issues can arise, but don't worry, they are usually simple to resolve. First, double-check that the correct email address was used for the invitation. Also, advise the recipient to check their spam or junk folders, as invitation emails can sometimes end up there. If problems persist, you can always resend the invitation. For more complex issues, Shopify's support team is readily available to provide assistance and guide you through any technical difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.